Bows are everywhere. We see them big, bold, undeniably feminine, and this trend has totally taken over. It's a motif we're seeing on the catwalks, in textiles, and all around home decor. But just when we thought we'd seen everything the bow could do, it has made its way into the cake world. Now you can wear your bows and eat them too. My next guest has 3 candy bow cake toppers that add a little love to any sweet treat. Our friend is here, Mandy Merriman, joining me in studio. Mandy, so good to see you.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So pretty and pink. Okay, so we were talking about we can't get over, we're loving bows. We're not sick of them yet. And I said to you, how has no one thought of this idea before? You thought of it. Where did you get the inspo?
Thank you. So my inspiration is just from bows in fashion, in decor, in jewelry, things like that. It's so easy to transition that right into cake world. And so I thought, what better way to do it with something that's edible and fun to eat, just like it's fun to make. So that's how these kind of came together.
These are perfect for Valentine's, but we were saying this could even carry over beyond Valentine's.
Oh, absolutely. You could do this all year round with whatever colors you'd like. Just grab some kind of stringy candy like this and get to tying some bows, and it's going to come together really quick.
So fun. Okay, I can't wait. Let's get started with the showstopper. This nerd's rope is so fun.
It is my favorite
Just for
one.
Valentine's for this colorway. But.
Absolutely. Oh, it's so easy to come together. You're just going to love this. So all you need is you just need 2 of these ropes.
2 of them.
Yes, 2 of them. And the first one is going to be the top of the bow, and you're going to make kind of an 8 or an infinity symbol, whichever you want. And because this is a gummy candy, you can actually just press and it sticks.
They just stick.
They just stick together like that. So give it a nice, kind of like a nice little press right there, and it holds that kind of top part of the bow together.
That's nice.
And then this one, you just fold it in half, just like this. Give it a little pinch, and then you're going to top it right on top of that, and then you have your cute bow for the top of your cake. Just like
simple.
That. Simple, easy peasy. You can just
so fun.
And especially for today, Valentine's Day. I mean, you can just grab this from the bow, stick it on top of your cake, and you're good.
Okay, now these little dainty ones, I think, might be my favorite.
These are so cute, and it uses our little Twizzlers pull and peel. So make sure you get the one that has the little pull and peel feature. So this one's for you.
Okay.
Okay. So
because I can see you didn't actually tie a bow.
No, I didn't, and I tried it, and I thought, you know what, there is a more simple way, and I really like the length of the bow on the side of the cake, just like we've seen with our vintage ones. I feel like this one is an edible version. So what I did is I'll kind of show you this way. So we're going to take this middle and we're going to give it a little twist just like this, and then push it down just like we did with the other side on there.
Push it together, okay.
Yeah, just like that. And then this one is going to twist just like the other one did, and you're going to push it right in the middle as well. So you just have that cute little,
more like a pretzel.
Yeah, just like a little cute pretzel. Give it a little
mine
twist.
are not even, but
yours are so cute.
You can eat that part off.
You totally can. A little snack on the way, which is always fun. And you're gonna press this right onto the side of your cake. So you can do just regular like that and put some sprinkles around it, or do some buttercream techniques. But these ones are so cute. And just like you said, any time of year, any color, they have lots of different flavors.
Yes.
So this would be an easy one to translate into any holiday, but especially fun for Valentine's Day today.
Super cute. Now these I had never even seen, and you said you just got them at Target.
Yes, so I was in the Target aisle perusing all the glorious candy that they always have there, and I thought we need something for our cupcakes. And I found these sour strips, which are actually really, really good. There's a strawberry version and a cherry version. And so when you pull them out, they just look like this. They're kind of bendy. Give it a little stretch there. And then with some clean scissors, I noticed that when I made them the half size, it was a lot easier to make them into bows. So we're just gonna slice it in half, easy, just like that. And then you're actually gonna tie a real bow with this one. You're actually gonna tie a bow with this one. So just give it a little, just like you're tying your shoes. Oh my goodness, okay, Amy, I have a lefty for a son, and so teaching him how to tie his shoes was so complicated. But these bows, I mean, whether you're righty or lefty,
okay, again, my ends aren't even, but yes.
That's okay,
we'll get better at it.
So you're gonna kind of have the middle. The middle's going to be a little puckery there, but that's okay. And then what I do is just to make it a little bit more of like a feminine flair.
Oh, you did
I just give it a little trim at the end, and then those are going to go right on your cupcake.
Just with scissors, so easy.
Just scissors, give it a trim, and oh my goodness, it's so easy to do. I'm going to give this a little swirl like this, and feel free to use some of your sprinkles. We love sprinkles.
Why not?
They go right on top, and then you can put your little bow right there. It's just pretty as a picture. I love how those come together really easily.
Yes. Can you tell me, because we didn't talk about how you're attaching the licorice to the...
Yes, absolutely. So we have our glorious cake right here. And what we can do is you can decorate it in any technique you'd like to, but you know what? You can stick it on the side however you want, but I have just a little dollop of buttercream is really all it needs. And you can just stick it to the side like that. But what I do is I like to do all the intricate decorating, and then this is just the final touch. Or you can even just stick one on top like we did before. I'm gonna use your cute little bow here. Just gonna trim off the end a little bit.
Thank you
can
for
even
making
put these
it
guys
perfect.
all over the top and all over the sides if you want to. But I feel like it's just like the most darling finishing touch on there. Or if you wanted to, like I said, we have our big bow right here.
Yes.
You can stick this cutie on
And
top
talking
too.
about finishing touches on the cake that we have on display, you used more of the nerd rope as a base,
I
too.
sure did. So I noticed that when I was
show.
making the Nerds rope, I noticed that these kind of look like little sprinkles of confetti. So what I did is I just pressed them on the sides, and then also along the bottom, you have like this glorious like already sprinkled border that you can just put along the bottom of it, just like that. And it just press it into the side and it sticks.
I think you've given us so many ideas to use year-round for different types of bows.
Oh, absolutely, and they're also fun to make. And I feel like you could even translate these little cuties onto your cupcakes as well. And it's really fun to just bring everybody into the kitchen together. It's fun to make them, it's fun to eat them, and it's fun to just celebrate the holiday in a cute, fun, simple, and even a last-minute way if that's where we're at today.
Even if you can't decorate a cake as gorgeous as she does it, we can still make them cute.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, Mandy, where are we finding your ideas?
Thank you. Baking with Blondie is where I'm at on Instagram, or bakingwithblondie.com.
Baking with Blondie.